This is the mathematics class and it is for class 4 and this is based on NCERT. Now, today we will discuss chapter 2 and this is lecture number 3. The chapter 2 is about long and short. Today's topics are subtraction and some word problems. Now, we have to subtract 2 kilometer 104 meter from 5 kilometer 548 meter. Now, as in addition, we have seen that there are two methods to perform addition. What are the two methods? We have to arrange the units in columns and then we have to add. And second method is conversion. That is, we have to convert all units in a single unit. Then we perform the operation of addition. Same is followed in subtraction. Here, I mention you the method. What is the method? That subtract 2 kilometer 104 meter from 5 kilometer 548 meter. Arrange the units in columns and subtract. Here I have arranged them in columns. That is, I have made two columns. One column is about kilometer and second column is about meter. And I arrange the units. And then I have to perform subtraction. Now, 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. Now 5 minus 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3 kilometer 444 meter. This is the first method, that is, I arrange them in columns and I subtract. I think there should not be any confusion. Now come to the next. Subtract the following with conversion. Here I have to subtract this and the method is I have to convert them in a single unit. Now 8 kilometer 350 meter. What is the conversion? If I convert this in meter, now 8 kilometer is equal to 8,000 meter. And we have to add 350 meter, that is, the resultant is 8,350 meter. Now 5 kilometer 510 meter. After conversion this becomes 5,510 meter. Now I have to subtract this. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 5. This should not be possible. How it will be possible? If I borrow 1 from 8, then 8 becomes 7 and this becomes 13. So 13 minus 5, 8 and 7 minus 5, 2. Now I have to convert this in kilometer. Here we can see that in the meter there are 4 digits and the digit which is situated in thousand place, it comes under kilometer and the remaining 3 digits is in meter. Here the digit in the thousand place is 2 and the remaining 3 digits are 480 should come in meter. In the same case, if we see that 5,510, here the digit in the thousand place is 5, so it comes under kilometer and the remaining 3 digits comes under meter. This is just a trick to solve this in a single way, that is, in a single step. I think this is clear to everybody. Now come to the next. Here 7 meter 68 centimeter and the number which I have to subtract is 85. Here 7 meter. If I convert this in centimeter, it becomes 700. Then I have to add 68 centimeter. So the resultant becomes 768 centimeter and I have to subtract the number 85 centimeter. So what is the resultant? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 6 minus 8 is not possible. So I borrow 1. This becomes 16 and 7 becomes 6. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now 6 comes. Here we see that the number which is situated at the 100 place, this comes under meter. So here the number which is situated in the 100 place is 6, and the remaining 2 places comes under centimeter. That is, the answer is 6 meter 83 centimeter. Just to convert this in one step, I apply the simple trick. Now come to the next. You have to subtract these lengths in column method. That is, here I have arranged the units in columns. Now you have to perform this subtraction. You can easily do it. Now you have to write this in your copy and you have to show me. Okay. Now come to the next. Again, you have to perform this in column method and you have to tell me the answer. Student, remember that in your examination there are questions about this subtraction and this type of addition, and we have to tell about the method, that is, which method you have to follow. Here I have written that you have to subtract the following lengths without conversion. That is, you have to arrange them in columns, then you have to subtract. Without conversion means in column method. Okay, now if I tell that you have to subtract the following length with conversion, then you have to convert the length in a single unit and then you have to perform the method, that is subtraction. So when this type of problems come in examination, you just kindly notice what is written here. That is, if the method is mentioned, then you have to follow the method. Here I mentioned the method, that is without conversion, so you have to arrange the units in columns and then you have to perform this subtraction. Here the question is 3 kilometer 900 meter and you have to subtract the number 600. Second, 46 meter 56 centimeter minus 25 meter 33 centimeter. This should be done as a homework. Now we come to the problem solving. So far we have seen simple addition and subtraction. Now I give you the words, that is word problems. You have to read, then you have to understand what I want to tell. Then you have to perform the mathematical operations. Now what are the basic mathematical operations? The basic mathematical operations are plus, minus, multiplication and division. There are 4 basic mathematical operations. Now with these 4 basic mathematical operations you have to solve the problems. Now come to the problem. First problem is, Anindita requires 2 meter 20 centimeter of curtain material for the windows and 5 meter 35 centimeter for the door. How much curtain material does she need altogether? अनिंदिता को डोर के लिए चाहिए 5 मीटर 35 सेंटीमीटर का कर्टेन मटेरियल और विंडोज़ के लिए चाहिए 2 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ कर्टेन मटेरियल. तो कुल मिलाकर कितना कर्टेन मटेरियल चाहिए? हियर यू सी this is written that altogether. Now altogether is a keyword and this is the keyword for the mathematical operation of addition. If we see that in a problem there are mentioned that altogether, total, together, along with, then we understand that we have to perform addition. Now we have to solve the problems. First, length of curtain material for the door is 5 meter and 35 centimeter. I arrange them in columns. Then I have to perform addition. Next, length of curtain material for the window is 2 meter 20 centimeter. Now I have to add these two. So if I add 5 plus 0, this becomes 5. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Now comes under meter. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 meter. So what is the resultant? Resultant is 7 meter 55 centimeter. So what I have to write? I have to write total length of curtain material, material, needed is 7 meter 55 centimeter. I write this here because of lack of space below. Okay. I repeat this. Anindita requires 5 meter 35 centimeter for the door and 2 meter 20 centimeter for the window. So, how much curtain material does she need altogether? What we have to do? We have to perform addition because कुल मिलाकर कितना कर्टेन मटेरियल चाहिए यही हमको ढूंढना है. So if we perform addition, what is the resultant? 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 2 5. This comes under centimeter. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This comes under meter. The resultant is 7 meter 55 centimeter. Now you have to perform this. That is, in a relay race, Rohit runs 3 km 304 meter and Charu runs 3 km 496 meter. What is the total distance covered by both Rohit and Charu? What is the keywords? Total distance both. So we can easily tell that this should be addition. Why? Because the keywords are total distance and covered. In a race, Rohit runs 3 km 304 meter and Charu runs 3 km 496 meter. So together how much distance they covered? What is the answer? The addition. I think you all can do it easily. As an homework, you have to perform this. What is the problem? Deepa and Shikha bought similar dresses. Deepa's dress was 1 meter 5 centimeter long. Shikha's dress was 10 centimeter shorter than Deepa's dress. How long was Shikha's dress? Here, Shikha's dress was shorter. How much? 10 centimeter. Then Deepa's dress. Shorter means we have to perform subtraction. So we have to subtract the number 10 centimeter from 1 meter 5 centimeter. Why? Because Shikha's dress was shorter than Deepa's. So if I subtract 10 centimeter from Deepa's dress, I will get Shikha's dress. That is the length of Shikha's dress. So what should be the answer? The answer should be the subtraction. You have to perform this and tell me the answer. Now next, there is a homework and the homework is based on activities. What is the activity? Read. Long jump. This is the long jump for boys. Here we see that there are some boys. This is the starting point, this is the finishing point. Now, Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeter. Gurjit is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjit's jump. Now, Dhanush jump is the longest. And what is the length of Dhanush jump? 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurjit's jump is less than Dhanush jump. How much? Only 20 centimeter. Now if I tell that what is the length of Gurjit's jump, how can you tell? You can tell that, ma'am, this should be the resultant of the subtraction of the numbers 3 meter 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. That is, you have to perform this subtraction 3 meter 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. This is the length of Gurjit's jump. Now, what is the length of Gopi's jump? You have to subtract 5 centimeter from Gurjit's jump. Then you get Gopi's jump. Now, come to the questions. First question, how long are Gurjit's and Gopi's jumps? You can easily tell me after doing the subtraction. Now next, try and see how far you can jump. You first try and then tell me how far you can jump. You can easily perform this at your home. Now third question, how far can you throw a ball? You take a ball and throw it and measure the distance from where you throw the ball and where the ball hits the ground. The distance should be measured in a tape and then you can tell me the answer. This is an activity. Now next, look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? You tell me the answer. Now I think you can easily understand. Now complete all before attending the next session. So that is all about today's lesson. Thank you.